In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change the opacity level of any object, including image, shape, and even text in Google Slides. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to copy this picture of a cow and I'm going to put it at the back of this image. So you can see that the image the opacity is going to be reduced. Let's send this picture, to the back, order and send to back. Now what you need to do is you have to click on the object or on the image and go to format options. And after that, you want to navigate to adjustments. And then here you can reduce the opacity level to whatever level you find it the best. And the more you do it, you will see the object behind this image. As you can see, the cow is now visible. And that is thanks to the new opacity level. You can make it lower even further to the point that the image turns to be invisible. But of course, we don't want to have that. We just want to make it partially visible. And that's basically how you can turn any object to be transparent or change the opacity level of the object in Google Slides.